Good morning, everybody, and welcome to our smoke day to start the week of 9/14. So a couple of things. For those of you that already saw the video on 9/11, this is pretty similar in terms of the expectations. Those of you in second period should be done with block 1 of the ecology engagement by the end of today. So what does that mean? Well, if you take a look, this is linked from the top of the general tab in both first and second period, so you can find it easily there. And there's two things you pretty much need to be doing. Number one is to complete the Khan Academy assignment. Go on to Khan Academy online, take the quiz, and keep going until your score is good enough to get that crown score. If you can't quite get to the crown, that's okay, but get close to that level as you go through it. And this will give you an introduction to some of the ideas found in ecology. The second assignment we have for you is a sampling lab. Ideally, what you'll be doing is going outside with either Leaf Snap or with Google Lens and identifying several plants and or other organisms in our community. It's going to be way better if you don't go to a park or right out in front of your house, but actually try to get out in the sagebrush in a real Nevada ecosystem and not just, the things that are growing in your yard. But the idea is to go out with one of those apps, take some pictures, and identify several different organisms. And then you're supposed to identify individuals, populations, community, ecosystems, as well as two biotic and two abiotic factors, and the biome that you're in. This might be unrealistic for you given the smoke, and if that's the case, the smoke day alternative that you can do instead is to do the same thing, but just go onto the internet, get pictures of organisms from our ecosystem here in the Great Basin, and post those up. Either one will work for us. Those are the expectations today, and we are putting together assignments for both the Khan Academy assignment where you're supposed to post a screenshot of your success and a space for you to upload to Flipgrid your community sampling lab. Both of these are expected to be done by the end of this week or by September 20th. The community sampling lab won't be graded until your final portfolio. It'll show up as an assignment worth 0 points, but it's just an indication of when you should have it done and also a way for you to get into Flipgrid to turn it in. I think that's about it. If you have questions, Mr. Magula will be online for office hours on Teams all day, and I will be on at 10:30. So if you need any help, contact us, and hope the orientation engagement went well. And here we go on to real stuff.